How to sync audio with video in Reelshot. Perfectly syncing audio with your video is crucial for a professional and polished result, especially when using external audio. This guide will show you how to align your sound and visuals seamlessly in Reelshot. First, ensure both your video clip and your separate audio track are imported into your Reelshot project and visible on the timeline. Your audio might appear in a distinct audio layer. The most common way to sync is manually by dragging the audio clip along the timeline, just like this. Look for the distinct visual cues in your video, like a hand clap or a prominent mouth movement, and align the corresponding audio waveform peak with the visual. Some advanced apps might offer an auto sync feature by selecting both clips and tapping on sync button. Once you have a rough alignment, zoom into your timeline for more precise adjustments, just like this. Drag the audio clip incrementally until it's perfectly synced. Play back the section repeatedly to ensure that your audio and video are harmonized. Achieving perfect sync makes a huge difference. You've successfully learned how to sync audio with video in Reelshot. Create professional sounding content. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot audio production tips.